Hey guys, in today's video I want to share with you guys a simple Dollar Tree DIY that I created for my living room, and each piece only cost me $2 to make them. So for this DIY, you will need one of these oval silver trays that you can find in the wedding section at Dollar Tree. You will also need these quote wall stickers that they have at Dollar Tree, and you can choose any you like, and these are the two that I wanted for my living room. Now before I put the quote stickers on the tray, I like to wipe off the tray to get off any fingerprints that I may have put on it or any dust or anything that's gotten on it before I put the stickers on, so the stickers go on nice and smooth. And that is it for this Dollar Tree DIY, guys. This DIY is so simple and so easy to make, and it only costs $2 to make it. And it looks so glamorous and so beautiful in any home. And I have seen wall decor pieces like this go for hundreds of dollars in the store. And you can create this and make this to your style. You could switch it up, you could paint it, you could pick any type of wall sayings that you see at Dollar Tree or any stores. So this is very versatile to switch it to your decor for any home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Let me know down in the comments area how you guys would switch this up to go to your style. I know everybody likes farmhouse decor nowadays, so how would you switch this up to maybe do a farmhouse style or maybe a less glamorous style? I love hearing ideas from you guys because they give me ideas for future DIYs, and also it gives my other subscribers ideas as well. So please leave me your ideas down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified on all the new videos that I put out, which I will be having a lot soon. And also like this video if you want to see more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on my social medias of my Facebook page and my Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other two videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.